Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are gonna learn about our CSS max functions. Okay, so the CSS max function allow mathematical expression to be used as a property values. So we are gonna take as an example like calculate maximum and minimum function. Okay, so let's first start with our calculate function. So the calculate function to be used as the property value. Okay, so the syntax is we can use as an operator like plus, minus, multiply, division. Okay, so let's first start with the basic. So I've write down here as a H1 deck, VAB deck. Okay, then close. Let's save this file as a max function. So I know. Yeah. Now let's create our PDEC. Then let's create ID here as a capital A, and let's give them here our lorem. Once again lorem. Then save. Okay. Now we are gonna calculate here our plus, minus, multiply or division. Okay. So let's write down here in style tag. We are gonna write here our hashtag for our ID and capital A. Then curly bracket open and close. Then I'm gonna write here position. If you want position in relative, if you want position in absolute, you can do that. So let's give them as a absolute. Then let's give them as a left as a 15 pixel. Okay. Now let's give them width here. Okay. So width I give them as a calculate. We are gonna write here. Okay. Then let's give them 100% and 500 pixel I write here. Okay. You need to write down the main thing here. Okay, guys. Plus, minus, division, or multiply. Okay, whichever you want to write. Let's start with our plus sign. Okay, and let's give them the border here so we can easily understand. 2 pixels, solid, right. Let's take this. And let's also write our background color. Let's take this as a aqua. Then also let's adding as a padding 10 pixel so it can slightly difference. Okay, now let's see our output. So let's minimize my it's because it's full screen right now. Yeah, 100%. This is how 100% looks like, guys. This is our padding. Okay, this is our left hand side 15 pixel. That's why. And as you can see, this is our 100% width works here, and this is our plus sign. Okay, and this is a 500 pixel. If you write here as a 50 pixel, okay guys, then save. So as you can see, the word is here right now, or load and second point. As you can see, it's only 50 pixel. It's moving right now. If I write here only 5 pixel, then as you can see, it's only move just only this one. Your vertical here is works here, okay guys, okay. So that's why I write here 500. Then as you can see, that's how it works. Now let's write here minus sign, then save. As you can see, it's cut off the values here. As you can see, it's only in the one direction. So that is how it works. It's calculate between 100% and 500 pixel. Okay. If I do here multiply, then let's see. As you can see, it's in full screen right now. That is how it our works here. And if you write down here division, then as you can see, it's here. So that is how our calculate works here, guys. If you have any query, write down in the comment section. Now let's move forward to our second point. our max function. Okay, so the maximum function uses the largest value. Okay, so from a comma separated list of the values is take as a property value. So the syntax is max in brackets. We need to write our value 1 and value 2. Okay, we need to give them comma before that. Okay, so let's write down our code. As you can see, we are gonna just change this one. We are gonna write here our height. We are gonna give them height as a 150 pixel, and let's clear this one also. Let's clear this one also. We don't need it right now in this one. That's fine. Height background, and let's give them the width. I give them as a maximum here as a 40 percentage. Then you need to give them a comma, then do 50 pixel, then save. Let's open our browser. As you can see, let's just minimize this. As you can see, it's very when we move our we adjust here our window according to our window is adjust here. As you can see, according to our window, it can be adjust here. So that is how it works. Okay, if I write here 500 pixel, then as you can see, it's completely curable here. Let's zoom it. That's why I did a write low pixel here. Okay, so you can easily understand how it works here, guys. As you can see, when I move our window edges here, just like this. If I do here only 10%, then as you can see, this is how it look like. That is how it says here. Okay, and let's give them the last example as 100%. Then save. Then it take the all here. It didn't change anything. As you can see, this is how it's our pixel changes here. So that is how our minimum, sorry, not minimum, our maximum function works here. Now let's move forward to our minimum function. This is how we learn our maximum function. It takes the maximum values here. Okay. Now in minimum, it takes only the smallest value. And as I already told, we need to give them the comma separated list of the values as the property value, and the syntax is value 1 comma dot value 2. This how we write. We just need to change here only minimum. Okay, guys, this is our minimum. Let's take this as a 40 and here as a 250 pixel and save. As you can see, this is only curable right now. Let's do this. As you can see, it only takes minimum smallest number of doing right now. Okay, because let's just give them here 90 pixel. Sorry, percentage. As you can see, it's not moving anything right now. It doesn't change it's because of the size. Let's give them 10%. The smallest value will be here. As you can see, the smallest window selected here. As you can see, so that is how it works here, guys. If you have any query, write down in the comment section. And also for the source code, write down your email ID in the comment section. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.